Well, a warm welcome to this broadcast of the Morning Call. There is a tough war of who's winning the Gabonese polls ensued after the polls closed on Saturday, despite delays in some parts of the country. Now, opposition candidate Jean Ping, who was the former president of the African Union Commission, declared himself winner with incumbent Ali Bongo declaring the same against warnings by the announcement made by the Electoral Commission of the country that nobody should do such a thing.
Et puis les partisans du candidat Jean Ping ont
And supporters of Jean Ping have invested in Facebook and WhatsApp to broadcast figures, photos and videos of the ex-president. He announced his victory during a news briefing held in its headquarters yesterday. I am the winner. I expect that the incumbent president to call and congratulate me. These were his words, and interpreted as an affront on the side of the head of state. We speak more of this on this contradictory statement with our correspondent in Libreville, Wilfried Obonge. So tell us about after this long electoral weekend.
Bonjour à tous. Des informations en notre possession.
Good morning to you all. According to the information in our possession, Jean Ping declared himself winner of the presidential election. During his speech referring to the results, some of his supporters wanted to make a peaceful work, but this was stopped by the police with a tear gas.
Et quelconque mouvement de contestation ici et là, le gouvernement a déployé dans la ville, c'est-à-dire Libreville, les forces de l'ordre dans plusieurs carrefours de la capitale.
Lots of police officers were sent to different districts.
Sur le discours de Jean Ping à son
as regards the response of Ali Bongo to Jean Ping's statement,
pas un point de presse, mais plutôt qui a fait une déclaration lui aussi, a répondu en disant simplement, je cite, il ne faut jamais vendre la peau de l'ours.
And as quotes, he speaks and as I quote, never sell the skin of a bear before it is killed.
De regrettables tentatives d'exercition injustifiée sur le corps électoral gabonais.
Similarly, the Ministry of Interior called the release of Jean Ping's unfortunate attempts to exert undue pressure on Congolese electorates.
Sont attendus, et puis surtout, si cette guerre des chiffres se poursuit, qui est-ce qui se tranchera?
Normalement, selon le communiqué du ministère de l'Intérieur, les résultats sont attendus au plus tard.
According to the Ministry of Interior,
selon ce qu'a annoncé un communiqué justement qui est parvenu à nous. Les recours interviendront quand le verdict de la Cour constitutionnelle sera.
According to the Ministry of Interior, the release of Jean Ping's unfortunate attempts to exert undue pressure on the Gabonese electorate and independent institution in charge of centralization of these results, of this vote.
Merci beaucoup, Wilfried. Thank you very much for joining us on this edition of the Morning Call. That was Wilfried Obangome speaking to us in Libreville.